Hello, Year 4. It's Mrs. Fletcher-Brown again, and you have reached Wednesday's session of book club. Well done. Halfway through the week, you're nearly there. Brilliant work. Okay, so we're on session 3 today. New words. Let's have a little look. So this first new word is raucous, and that is to describe the making of loud or harsh noise. A carousel. So a carousel, you might have seen them at fairground rides. They're circular machines, often with animals or cars for people to sit on. And the monsoon season. This is a very rainy season, and you have them in lots of places all over the world, including South Asia. Okay, so session 3 is chapter 3. So remember, we're keeping it really simple for you now. So chapter 3. Remember, just like the previous sessions, once you've read through all of these questions with me, you can head to Miss Samra's recording of herself reading chapter 3, and you can follow along with her if you've got the book. And as you find the answers to these questions, you can pause the video of Miss Samra reading chapter 3, and you can write the answers down. So remember, you'll come across this answer first, followed by the second, then the third, then the fourth. Lots of these questions are all about vocabulary. So they're thinking about the words and the phrases that the author has used. So the first question is, think of 3 words to describe what Tamarind sees when she leaves the airport. Number 2, what tells you that Rafi's text to Tamarind is informal? So remember, we talk about this word informal in our writing. We say that if something is formal, it's very posh, and it's usually used when we are talking to people that we don't know very well. We use very, very formal language in letters, for example, if we were writing to a local MP. We also use formal language if we're writing newspaper reports. So have a little think then about what is informal. That means it's when we're often talking to people that we know quite well. So for example, instead of saying, "Good morning, it's really pleasant to see you," you might say, "Hiya, how are you?" So what tells you that Rafi's text to Tamarind is informal? On page 19, now remember, this is page 19 from the copy that Miss Samra is reading. It might be different in your book. This is why it's really important to read along with Miss Samra, just like we would in class. So on page 19, what words tell you they've been driving for a long time? So you're going to have to find the words that tell you this. Don't just guess. And finally, write down 3 facts you've learnt about Tamarind in this chapter. So 3 things that you've learnt about her. And that's a bit of a summary question. Remember, now that you've listened to these questions from me, go and watch the video of Miss Samra reading chapter 3 and read along with her if you have the book. And as you come across each answer, you can pause the video of Miss Samra reading and write your answer down. Well done, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for Thursday's session. Great work.